What's up, guys? Scott Litton here, owner of Iron City Power Washing. I just want to show you guys what a typical day looks like for me. It's currently 7:30. Been up since 6:30 doing a few things on our CRM, sending some emails, drinking some coffee. About to hop in Big Zeus here and head to the shop. Um, Got to drop off some F9F fluorescents and a new pump sprayer to my business partner and helper. They're going to that big residential job I mentioned. I'm going to stay back and do two small residential jobs. And then there are different signs around a city called Homewood, which is within Birmingham. And they're just like stone type signs, and they have mold all over them. And I'm going to go around with two full tanks, and I'm going to spray those down with SH, clean those up nicely. And it's for one of our accounts with Homewood Parks and Rec. We do a lot of commercial work for them. So I'm going to stay back and take care of that. But I'm going to go meet my business partner, drop off a few things, and then we'll head out to the first job. I'm going to show you guys how I clean flagstone. See you out there in a little bit. All right, guys, just got to the shop. There's my business partner's trailer over there. I cleaned up this area very nicely. Got some extra waters there, fire extinguisher, a backup surface cleaner, chemicals, squeegee, some signage, extra hoses, our gas roof pump. I'm probably gonna sell it. Extra tanks, another trailer we're eventually gonna build out. So grab a couple things for my business partner. F9 fluorescents. Got to clean up some efflorescence off some brick. And then grab this one here. We got some new pump sprayers. I'm thinking I have everything I need. So I'm heading to job number one. See you guys out there. All right, let's talk about the first job. Small job. It's going to be a flagstone patio, a small section of a deck, and then front sidewalks and some steps. I'll be there at most an hour. I doubt I'm there that long. So for flagstone and decking, I like to be around 4%. So I'm not going to get that downstreaming, and I'm not going to get out my 12 volt for that. I'm going to just X-Jet. So I love the X-Jet because I can just fill that thing up with straight SH and apply my chemical, get it around 4%, let it sit there. And then on the deck, I'm going to X-Jet fan it very lightly. I'm going to idle my machine down, and then I'm going to surface clean the flagstone and potentially turn down my unloader a little bit, so I'm not hitting it with a strong amount of force. It is an older flagstone patio. If I get there and it's in real bad shape, I may just sauce it with a roof mix and rinse it off, just to protect the integrity of the stone. So we'll see when we get there. But that's my process on cleaning flagstone. You got to be careful with it, and also obviously with wooden decking, and then with wood I post treat with oxalic acid. So see y'all out there. All right, guys, I'm here at this job filling up my tank there. They have really good water pressure. It's pretty cool. It's actually a girl I went to high school with. She came out and spoke to me for a second. But cleaning this section here, the steps. It's funny, she works for one of our biggest clients, Brassfield and Gorey. Her family's pretty high up there, so she knows we've been doing a lot of work for them, so that's cool. Connections, baby, you gotta have connections. And then here's the flagstone patio. And that little section of deck. So, all right, I'm gonna fill up my X-Jet reservoir. Got my hoses pulled here. And then we'll get started. All right, guys, I'm cranked up. About to pre-treat. Let that dwell for about 15 minutes. We'll do the same thing to the deck. While I'm waiting on this to dwell, I'm gonna go pre-treat the front. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have the pressure down pretty low here. You can see the difference there. All right, guys, you can see how clean this is. All the joints are refreshed. Just going around right now and just cleaning up these little walls here. Then I'm gonna make my way to the deck. It's already transitioned big time. Been here 15 minutes, about halfway finished with this job, so it's going well. All right, guys, so I just cleaned this sidewalk, just post-treated. I cranked up at 8:40. It is 5 after 9, so quick, easy job. I've got both my tanks filled up. They had really good water pressure, so I can go clean those signs. I'm letting that SH dwell on my post-treatment. Show y'all the final product back here. Beautiful. That deck was pretty bad shape, but we got it looking good. It was mainly just slippery, but it was covered in mold, obviously. Flagstone turned out nice. They're gonna be happy. All right, guys, since I finished that first job pretty quickly, I'm out here cleaning some of these signs for Homewood. I just soaked this with SH, about a half and half mix. I've already done a sign other side of that bus, and then that one across the road there. So I've done 3 of the 6 so far. This is gonna be my last one, and then I gotta go to our second residential job. So getting 3 done right now, and then we'll get the rest finished up after our second job. So I'm just using my little pump spray here, just hitting it. I still feel like getting out my 12-volt hose and all that stuff. The less things I have to get out, the better. So, all right, I'm about to go rinse it down and head to the next residential job. Guys, I did it again. I forgot to record the job, but I'm out here in this beautiful neighborhood in Mountain Brook. I just cleaned those steps. I'm about to go rinse off her patio furniture. I got some mud on it. Show y'all what we did. Soft washed all this. Cleaned all of this. This was covered in moss. I will add a before and after picture. Soft washed all that. 350 job. I did a great job for her. She was happy, so I just walked over to her sister's house and got another 325 job. There's small jobs in here, but you know, they accumulate. So that's what I want. I'm gonna come here probably mid-July and clean for her sister. So these steps turned out nice. It's been a good day. Talked to my business partner and he thinks they're gonna finish that big job today. So I may just wait and finish those other signs tomorrow. So, all right, well, good day. Really good day. It's 1:40. I'm gonna pack up, or I'm about to go rinse her furniture off for her and pack up and get out of here.